How to fix Rockstar Games launcher could not be found in your Fivem. So if you're seeing this little error, it usually means Fivem can't really detect your official GTA 5 installation, of course, or the Rockstar launcher. So it's pretty much already found or already said on the error itself. So since Fivem requires a legitimate copy of both the game and launcher, it must be correctly set up. So first of all, you can make sure your Rocket Games launcher is installed, and if it's missing, you can go ahead and download this on the official website for the Rockstar Games launcher. And after opening the launcher, you can log in to confirm it works. Then you can launch the game and at least once directly from the Rockstar launcher to verify the game files and register entries are properly created. If it's already installed but still not detected, you can go ahead and right click on both Rockstar launcher and Fivem. Let's say this is Fivem over here. This thing, you're gonna go ahead and run it as administrator. So you can right click, you should be able to see an option for that. You also verify your game files in the Rockstar launcher. You can go to the settings, my install games, and then verify integrity. And if none of those works, it's always better to check by reinstalling. So you can just go ahead and press on your keyboard Windows plus R. This will pop out over here, the run command, and then you can just go ahead and type this in, which is percent and then local app data and then percent. Just go ahead and press on OK. So once you go ahead and open up Fivem or the local app data, of course, you can go ahead to your Fivem file and just go ahead and uninstall it. You're gonna go ahead and reinstall and however you installed it in the first place and try relaunching it after you have restarted your PC. So again, after doing the steps, restart your PC and open the Rockstar launcher first, then Fivem, which just usually fixes the detection issue. But those are a few options you can go ahead and try if you're having this detection error for your Fivem. So hopefully one of these can work, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.